here's Inex One. You log in. Now I'm Matthias at test account. Everything you'll see here is demo data. Here I have my projects. You can buy expert interviews and you can buy surveys. I'll show you how to launch a project. Here you can either upload a couple slides from a deck describing what you're trying to achieve, or write a little tweet about what you want to achieve. We'll then help populate the form for you. This obviously contains lots of fields, so we added a bit of Gen AI here to get this done efficiently. Right, so having it launched, we now have a couple of angles where we talk about what kind of people we want per angle, screening questions to qualify experts from each of these angles, timeline, when we need it done. We even list a couple companies that we may not contact or that we want former or even current employees from, depending on where in the value chain that they are. I can add billing code, my time zone. Then I confirm that this is correct, obviously, because we've had the help of AI to generate it, so you need to confirm. We now recommend a few expert networks. These are dummy logos, based on the ones that we see are best for your project. When you publish the project, you can, of course, edit who you invite. When you publish the project, you can invite your colleagues to collaborate with you, and you'll soon see the experts roll in. You'll get questions from the expert networks in the chat. Now, here's how it looks on another project. Here we're reviewing the industry for foundation brakes and air compressors for heavy trucks. I have a full team in. We're working with 2 expert networks who have submitted 14 experts. We've done a couple interviews and have a few more scheduled. All the experts show in one list. This was a big frustration for me when I was a consultant, that I was just drowning in emails. Here you have all the experts with clear pricing, none of this credit nonsense that's just opaque. You can review them, full CVs, answers to screening questions. So the expert networks have gone out, contacted experts for you, vetted them, signed NDAs and TNCs, and had them respond to screening questions. If you have any follow-up questions about any one expert, you can chat with them here. Something like this. This obviously links back to the expert in question. All the transcripts show up here. Here we've transcribed the podcast with Stephen Schwartzman of Blackstone and Nikolai Tangen of the Norwegian Sovereign Wealth Fund. You have timestamps of where they said various things. This is a different one, Lex Friedman and Mark Zuckerberg. You can import any call here. If you have external expert network interviews, if you have customer calls, add them, drop them in there, get them transcribed for free. Cool thing is, using the AI Insights tab, you can then have this effectively an enterprise version of Gemini and ChatGPT. So you can ask questions. I can even have them summarized in various languages, get sources back to the individual factual statements that they give you, highlight. Super convenient, a way for you to quickly review the findings of all the transcripts across a project. When you're done, you can track the costs that you've incurred and that you're expecting across all the expert networks. When you're done, you simply click close and get invoice, and you get one sole invoice for all the calls that you've done across all the expert networks. That's it. That's Inex One expert calls. Thank you for watching.